Next sum, we have to find again d2 by dx2 when tan y equals to square root of 1 plus x square minus 1 whole divided by x. Now y equals to what? Tan inverse square root of 1 plus x square minus 1 by x. Now ddx of tan inverse x, this is the rule, ddx of tan inverse x equals to 1 by 1 plus x square. We will follow this formula. So dy dx equals to 1 by 1 plus as x square, so x is the whole term. So square root of 1 plus x square minus 1 by x whole square, but it is not exactly x, so again into ddx of this part by chain rule. Now 1 by 1 plus this whole square means a minus b whole square, this square root of 1 plus x square, the whole square is coming only 1 plus x square plus 1 minus twice ab, so 2 into square root of 1 plus x square into 1 whole divided by x square into, and this side it is coming u by v rule, so it is coming denominator part is v square, so it is coming x square, again x into ddx of the whole minus square root of 1 plus x square minus 1 into ddx of x is 1. Now 1 by, this is coming 1 plus x square plus 1, this is 2 plus x square minus 2 into square root of 1 plus x square. Now do the LCM part, then what we will get? 2x square, x square plus x square is coming 2x square, 1 plus 1 is coming 2 and minus 2, and this 1 by this by x square, so it will be automatically, it will be the numerator part, so it will be x square by the whole into this side again denominator part x square and x into ddx of this square root of 1 plus x square, 1 plus x square whole to the power half means half into 1 plus x square whole to the power minus half, it will be square root of 1 plus x square into ddx of x square, 1 plus x square, so it will be automatically, it will be 2x minus square root of 1 plus x square minus 1, and this is numerator x square, denominator x square, these 2 will be cancelled. So what we will get? 1 by, take common 2 here, so 2 into x square plus 1 minus 2 into square root of 1 plus x square into, now this part x into x is x square by square root of 1 plus x square minus square root of 1 plus x square minus 1. Do this calculation part LCM, 1 plus x square LCM, then what we will get? We will get 1 by 2 into, just take common 2 into x square plus 1 and minus 2 into x square under root x square plus 1. Okay, so we know square root of 1 plus x square whole square means only x square plus 1, so take common 2 into square root of 1 plus x square. So what we will get in the bracket? We will get the term square root of 1 plus x square as root x into root x is equal to x, that we know. So 2 square root of 1 plus x square, in the bracket what we will get? Square root of 1 plus x square minus 1. So 2 into 1 plus x square into square root of 1 plus x square gives us only x square plus 1, and plus minus minus 2 into square root of 1 plus x square. Understood? Into square root of, just do this LCM part, what we will get? The numerator part will get square root of 1 plus x square minus 1. The denominator part is 1 plus x square is there. Now square root of 1 plus x square minus 1 denominator, square root of 1 plus x square minus 1 in the numerator. These two equal terms will be cancelled. Then what we will get? 1 by 2 into square root of 1 plus x square into square root of 1 plus x square. Same term under root, so it will be only dividing 1 by 2 into 1 plus x square. Okay, so d2y dx2 will be minus x by 1 plus x square whole to the power 2 whole square. Okay, next sum number next sum 2 part 4. What is the question? Find y2 when x to the power p into y to the power q is equal to x plus y whole to the power p plus q. Okay, okay, as it is only power terms are there, so when power terms are there, directly don't try to do the derivative part. At first we have to take the logarithm. At first we will just take the logarithm to both the sides, then we will find the derivative. So taking logarithm to both the sides, then what we will get? Taking logarithm, log x to the power p y to the power q is equal to log x plus y whole to the power p plus q. Now log mn means log m plus log n. So log x to the power p plus log y to the power q, and here log x all to the power m, it will be m log x. So what we will write? P plus q log x plus y. Okay, and here it will be p log x, it will be q log y according to the logarithm rule, p plus q log x plus y. Okay, now we have to find the derivative to both the sides with respect to x. Okay, what we will get? ddx of p log x, p ddx of log x is 1 by x, ddx of this, so it will come in dq by y into dy dx into p plus q, it is 1 by x plus y into ddx of x plus y, ddx of x plus y means 1 plus dy dx. Okay, from here we have to find this, accumulate all dy dx to the left hand side, then we will get the value of dy dx. Dy dx, what we will get? Dy dx into qx minus, after calculation we will get y into x plus y is equal to qx minus py by x into x plus y. Okay, now qx minus py here by x plus y, qx minus py here by x plus y, just do the calculation, this cancellation part, and what we will get? Dy dx will be y by x, simply y by x, therefore d2y dx2 will be, d2y dx2 will be here x square and x dy dx minus y. X dy dx is y by x minus y by x square, is coming x in x cancels, it's coming y minus y gives us 0, so 0 by x square is equal to 0. So what is the answer? d2y dx2 is equal to 0. The second order derivative is coming 0. Okay, next. Part 6, find y2, where sin x is equal to 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta, and cot y is equal to 1 minus tan square theta by 2 tan theta. These two are given to us. Okay, now sin x equals to 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. Now 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta, this is the formula of sin 2 theta. So we can write sin x equals to sin 2 theta. Therefore x is equal to 2 theta. Okay, therefore dx d theta we can write only 2. Okay, similarly cot y equals to 1 minus tan square theta by 2 tan theta, therefore tan y will be 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta. Okay, now 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta is equal to tan 2 theta according to the trigonometry rule. So tan y equals to tan 2 theta, so y equals to 2 theta. So from here we can find dy d theta is equal to again 2. So what is dy dx then? Dy d theta into d theta dx. Dy d theta is what? That is 2. D theta dx is half. This is coming 1. Dy dx is 1. So d2y dx 2, automatically it will be 0. So this answer is again 0. Okay. So I think other sums you can do on your own. One more sum only I can show you. Only one more sum. Other sums you will do. Say this is y is equal to a to the power mx plus b cos mx. We have to prove that d2y dx2 plus m square y is equal to 2am square e to the power mx. This we have to prove. We have to prove this. Okay. Now y equals to this. So from here we can write dy dx is equal to a m e to the power mx minus bm sin mx. Okay, now d2y dx2 is what? A m square e to the power mx minus bm square cos mx. Okay, now just put the value here. So what we will write? d2y dx2 means the whole plus m square into this. So d2y dx2 plus m square y means the whole a m square e to the power mx minus bm square cos mx plus m square y. So plus a m square e to the power mx plus bm square cos mx. Look, so what we will get? Answer is these two terms will be cancelled. So it is coming only 2a m square e to the power mx. This only we have to prove. So this is proved. Okay. So now this all for today. Try all the sums and PDF file also will get. Try at first on your own, then you see the PDF. Okay.